Hello everyone. Today we'll learn about phrases and their kinds that are noun phrase, adjective phrase and adverb phrase. So let's begin. Students, have a look on these given phrases. In the morning, of gold, for 10 rupees, on the bench at 8 o'clock. These all are different types of phrases. So guys, I would make it clear to you that a phrase is a group of words which makes sense but not a complete sense. It means it doesn't make sense by itself. It is only a part of a sentence and depends on other words in a sentence. The main point to be noted is a phrase doesn't contain verb, a finite verb. It has neither a subject nor a predicate. Here are some of the examples. In these given sentences, the groups of words in red color are phrases. I go for a walk in the morning. She has a ring of gold. I bought a pen for 10 rupees. The lady sat on the bench. He goes to school at 8 o'clock. So we see that all these groups of words are dependent on other words in a sentence for making complete sense. So what is phrase? I hope it is clear to you. Now we will know about kinds of phrases. First one is noun phrase. Noun phrase is a group of words which performs the function of a noun in a sentence. Always remember that by asking question who, what or whom to the verb, we can get noun phrase. Here is the example. I love books. Books is single word and it is noun. I love reading books. So it is noun phrase. By asking question what I love, we get reading books. So it is a noun phrase. Noun phrase acts both as subject as well as object of the verb. For instance, that beautiful woman is my mother. Who is my mother? That beautiful woman. So this is noun phrase and this acts as a subject in this sentence. She has long hair. What she has? Long hair. So long hair is object here. My friend's house is very expensive. What is very expensive? My friend's house. So this is used as subject here. I love reading books. What I love? Reading books. So reading books is used as object here. These are noun phrases. Now, let us know a little more about noun phrase. It includes determiners, adjectives as modifiers, noun or pronoun as a head word. Modifiers can be possessive nouns or pronouns, infinitives, participles, adjectives. Let's see the examples. My sister's sari. Sister's sari, this is possessive noun. He loves to paint picture. To paint, this is infinitive, and pictures, this is noun. As a head word it is used here. A barking dog. This is determiner. Barking is participle and dog is noun. That big brown bag. That is determiner. Big brown, these are adjectives and bag is noun. So all these determiners, all these modifiers are used in noun phrase. Adjective phrase. This is the second kind of phrases. An adjective phrase is a group of words which performs the function of an adjective or describes the noun in a sentence. So by asking questions which or what kind of, we can get an adjective phrase. So with the help of examples, we'll understand more clearly. Reena is doing a work of great importance. What kind of work? Question arises. A work of great importance. So of great importance is adjective phrase. Next, the lady sits on a chair made of wood. What kind of chair? A chair made of wood. So made of wood is adjective phrase. He has a pen of red color. Which pen? What kind of pen? Of red color, we get the answer, and this is adjective phrase. She was a woman of wealth. What kind of woman? A woman of wealth. So of wealth is adjective phrase. So here comes the third kind of phrases, that is adverb phrase. Adverb phrase is a group of words which does the work of an adverb in a sentence. As he answered politely. Politely is adverb. This is single word, adverb. And next, he answered in a polite manner. So this is the group of words and this is adverb phrase. Always remember that by asking questions how, where or when, we can get an adverb phrase. See the examples. The deer ran at full speed. How did the deer run? At full speed. So this is adverb phrase. Rita is going at that place. Where is Rita going? At that place. So this is adverb phrase. They are going at this time. When are they going? At this time. So this is adverb phrase. So guys, I hope you understood all about phrases. So in the next video, we'll learn about clauses and their kinds. Thanks for watching.